This is Valley of Flowers.
They say travel isn't just about reaching a destination, it's about discovering yourself along the way. And for me, the mountains have always been that place where every step feels like a journey inward. Hi, I'm Navya, and welcome to my new adventure. So, the day is finally here for my most awaited trek, for which the journey starts from Bengaluru, and the first stop is Delhi. Hi, we are now in Delhi, and we're just chilling till our pickup point.
Yeah, we have a
So
whole
this is Akshay
hello.
and Sai. Sai. Yeah. So these are my two travel partners for this trek.
It's so fucking hot, guys.
Yeah, it is so hot. I miss Bangalore for this reason. As soon as we got out of the airplane, it's like
We're into a microwave.
microwave. I am not even kidding. It's that hot here. After a short rest in Delhi, we met up with our trekking groups and began our journey to Rishikesh, which is about 258 kilometers over 5 hours journey. The next morning, we reached Rishikesh and headed straight to Joshimath, which is also about 250 kilometers, and with the Ghat section, it would take almost around 8 to 9 hours. But then the drive itself was such an experience, you guys. I fell in love with the mountains all over again. Every turn opened up to a view which was just mind blowing. And right here is Devprayag, where Bhagirathi and Alaknanda river merges to form the mighty Ganga river. Once we reached Joshimath, the first stop we made was at the Narasimha temple. And the speciality of the temple is in winter, it becomes home to Lord Badrinath ji. Yes, you heard that right. When Badrinath is closed due to extreme weather condition, Lord Vishnu's idol is brought here to Joshimath and worshipped at Narasimha temple. So this is the view from my bedroom. Look at this. This is the day where we start our trek from Pulna to Gangaria, which is approximately around 10 kilometers.
हाँ, इतना ब्लैक ब्लैक सा क्यों है?
Andhera.
यहाँ इतना अंधेरा अंधेरा सा क्यों है?
Since Gangaria is base for both Valley of Flowers and Hemkund Sahib, so a lot of Sikh pilgrims were along with us trekking. We just finished our lunch and now we're heading. We have 4 more kilometers to go, but it's so beautiful. We're heading towards Gangaria. 4 kilometers more to go. How do you guys feel?
नहीं, बहुत अच्छा था. It was very nice. It's still going on, and hopefully जितना चल गया है उतना और आगे चलना है. So hopes are high and let's see. करो भाई.
Wow!
ज़्यादा अच्छा मिल गया.
बहुत
अच्छा. जितना तुमने बचा रखा था.
The day is here, which I've been waiting for so long. Guys, finally, it was time to trek the Valley of Flowers. So guys, we reached Valley! How are you guys feeling?
It's amazing. It's beautiful. Great.
How do you feel?
Good. Little tired, but good.
Good. But being tired, right?
Let's go.
Let's get going.
This is the Pushpavati River.
What's up? राहुल भाई कैसा लग रहा है? Easy?
Very easy. You can see my face. Very, very easy. This is day 4. We're going to Hemkund Sahib and it's a 6-kilometer trek. 6 plus 2 and 6 and 6. Oh, a lot of calculations. Anyways, it's a lot more steep. We have to see how it will go. Yeah. The most challenging. Oh, how are you feeling, Sai? Good. It's raining so much. I don't think it stopped even 1 second, but it's good going on. Let's see. Just 3 kilometers. We still have a lot to go. Full fog. पूरा स्टोरी सुना के आज थैंक यू लग रहा है बहुत ठंडे कैसा लग रहा है ठंडी में
Hemkund Sahib is one of the highest Sikh pilgrimage, which is at a height of 15,000 feet, dedicated to Guru Govind Singh Ji. According to legends, Lord Ram's brother Lakshman meditated here to regain strength after the Ramayan war.
म्यूल से गया था, क्या बताऊँ, वापस लुढ़क लुढ़क के आ रहा हूँ. इट वॉज नाइस ओनली.
And it's day 5. We are returning back from our base Kangaria to Pulna and then back to Joshimath.
Guys, we've been meeting them from all the trek and they've been trekking with us all the way. How are you guys so fit and what motivates you?
Enjoy the time, so we want to go for trekking.
I want to challenge myself and really want to see Valley of Flower from last so many years. And I'm very happy that I'm able to complete. I also wanted to see Valley of Flower from so many years and I love trekking.
Wow, and you sir?
I'm a retired person, so ample time with me, nothing else to do.
But
Being in nature is the best option.
yeah,
I think everyone should do it. If just no bar,
Yeah.
enjoy.
yes.
And enjoy every step, that's it.
Thank you. हेलो, कैसा लग रहा है लास्ट दिन?
Happy but sad too at the same time.
आपका आपने नहाया ना पानी में?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
कैसा था?
अरे एकदम रिफ्रेश.
रिफ्रेश. भाभी जी.
So we played Mafia, we played cards, Damsharas.
Oh
We
yeah,
had a super good time.
exactly. कैसा था कल? कल क्या किया आपने?
आया, बहुत मजा आया.
क्या रूम में बैठ के?
मूवी देखी. मैंने तो मूवी देखी.
भाई.
एक्चुअली रूम में मजा आया. मैंने मूवी देखी और खूब सोया मैं.
Context hidden chemistry because his leg was paining. Yeah.
मैं तो कर की. मजा आ रहा आज तो.
आज तो मजा आ रहा है उतरने में.
उतरने में.
On the way to Badrinath today. पाजी. खाते आप. कैसा हालचाल?
बढ़िया.
बढ़िया है.
हम पता चला 2 बजे निकले. 2 बजे.
आज इतना साइलेंट क्यों हो पाजी? हाँ, 7 बजे के बाद
उतर के बात करेंगे.
उतर के बात करेंगे क्या?
नहीं उतर के बात करेंगे. उतर के.
तो start नहीं हुआ है.
जब तक पहुंचूंगा तब तक 4-5 जोक बना के रखूंगा. तेरे को फेंकता हूँ मैं. मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि क्या बोल रही है.
मेरे को 5 मिनट लगा. फिर मैंने हीरो का नाम पूछा. बोलते सलमान खान.
तो साला उसका रिया.
पाजी.
तू अपने टीम में आ गया. मेरे को कौन पता था कैसे लगता है.
So guys, we are now in Mana village. This is also known as the first village of India. हाँ,
और पहले अपने एक ऋषि होते थे मणिभद्र जी, उनके नाम पे इस गांव का नाम था. अब इसको माना कहने लगे. और यहाँ से सरस्वती नदी जो दिखती है यहीं से दिखती है और यहाँ के बाद वो मप्पा तालुक में चली जाती है. और जो अपने पांडव जी थे वो स्वर्ग की तरफ यहीं से गए थे।
हाँ
और यहाँ पे 2 गुफाएं फेमस, व्यास जी की और गणेश जी की, जिनमें उन्होंने रामायण लिखी थी
और अब अपने एक महाभारत
महाभारत।
और अपने एक भी बताए थे ना यहाँ आके पास आप पढ़ लो।
ये लोगों की मानना है वैसे, और किसी हद तक ठीक भी है कि जो यहाँ पे एक बार आ जाता है, दिन रुक जाता है, उसके
जीवन
जो
का
दृढ़ा होती है,
हाँ।
जो दुख होते हैं वो कट जाते हैं, आर्थिक संकट स्पेशली।
So guys, if you see me going bigger in YouTube, this is the reason. चलो, let's go.
Badrinath was such a divine experience, you guys. Visiting Chardham was always been a dream, and to happen was so overwhelming. I was just standing there and taking it all in. Reached Rishikesh while we had just 1 or 2 hours time to explore before leaving to Delhi. But then we got extremely lucky to have witnessed the divine Ganga Aarti.
Exploring Rishikesh and our personal tour guides. अजय भैया आ जाओ. इनके बिना I don't think we would have seen the place properly. Thank you. भैया.
भाभी जी
कैसा लगा?
बहुत divine, surreal.
You guys, how was it?
Very, very, very amazing.
have much time to see Delhi because we had to catch a flight back to Bangalore. But we had a lot of food with a lot of masti. I thought I was just going on a trek, but it turned into something so special. In the valley, I didn't just see flowers or mountains. I found people who became friends. We laughed together, shared stories close to our heart, ate side by side, played like kids, and even danced like there was no tomorrow. The people, the moment, the bond. That's what made this journey unforgettable. Sometimes a trip isn't just about where you go, it's about who you become along the way. Until next time, see you on the next adventure. Bye-bye.